the hill trekking competition, which is being organized in connection with the 13th Bodo Festival 2026. So first of all, we are going to start with the main category. And after 10 minutes of the starting of main category, again we are going to start with the women category. So may I request all the participants to get ready for the event. Already our chief guest and all the invited guests are here with us. We are going to start the event very soon. Respected our chief guest and all the delegates present on the dais and all the participants. First of all, the organizing committee, Games and Sports of 13th Bodo Festival 2026. Would like to welcome you all. Competition, which is being organized in connection with the 13th Bodo Festival.
Ek minute